Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set weekend here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your admin account. Now go to the top and click on the gear icon. Okay. Once done, go ahead and find a leave tracker. Click on it. And once done, go ahead and go to work calendar. Okay, in this panel, click on it. And by default, you'll have your work calendar right here. Okay, but if you want to add in your own work calendar, you can go ahead and click on add work calendar. Okay, and once done, just go ahead and click on applicable location right here. Click on the drop down. Okay, and you'll have a list right here if you already have added locations under your admin account. Okay, if not, just go ahead and leave it. And once done, we have the week starts on. So normally we would start on Monday, and the work week starts on Monday as well. And the end right here will be Friday. Now, if you want your weekend to include Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can go ahead and add in right here, Thursday. All right. Work week ends on Thursday. Now, check on Friday right here. When you got the blue mark, that means that it is a weekend. All right. Or no working days. So you can go and scroll down and maybe if you want to add in your custom year, or maybe basically this current year, January to December. Okay. That this specific work calendar will take effect. Okay. And also you can define statutory weekends and track hours separately for payroll. Just click on the check mark and here you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you only selected Saturday and Sunday as your weekends, well, the only option right here will be Saturday and Sunday. If not, you can just untick it and hit on save. All right. Wait for it to load. And once done, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.